Hello again YouTube, this is Jerry with Sky Management, back today to talk to you about something really fun and one of everybody's favorite tasks, and that's plunging your toilet. Chances are you've had a time in your life where you've had a toilet that has gotten clogged, either with too much paper or refuse in the toilet, and you wanted to know how to unclog it. Well, this is called a plunger. This is the tool we use to unclog a toilet. A lot of times they'll either come in red or black or a variety of colors. This one in particular has a flange built onto the end that's meant to fit down the end and the inside of the toilet to help give a little more suction power and pushing power in there. What you're going to do is use this end of the plunger and actually place it in the toilet, putting that seal around like that, and you make sure that seal is nice and secure, and then push all the way in, and then do some few short pumps, and then pull it out. And what that's going to do is allow the refuse that's in there to break up, move back and forth, and eventually go out or work itself back into the bowl. And eventually it'll break it up enough that it'll eventually go out that hole. Now we're going to show you a couple different angles so that you can see where this is trying to go and what it's trying to do. Again, this is a plunger. You want to put this end, not the pointy end, this end in the bottom of the toilet. Make sure that you get a good secured fit on the bottom, and then simply depress, give a few short bursts, and then pull it back out, and everything else should flow smoothly. If it doesn't, just simply repeat the process with a little more force and try again. So lastly, I want to show you the side of the toilet. This is a good example to explain how the process of how this water has to go through here. Anything that goes in the toilet needs to be toilet paper and human waste. You don't want to be putting kitchen towels or anything else other than that in the toilet, because it has to travel through a small pipe, goes up and around a trap, and then back down into a larger hole, and more often than not things get stuck in this smaller pipe and it will clog up around a bend, and it won't allow the water to be pushed down through, and so it will overflow out of your toilet. So you want to make sure again that you've got your water shut off, and go ahead and plunge the toilet, and it'll force that either down the hole or force it back up into here to where it'll break it up and then allow it to all go out and then continue on with your day.